Dining with Mary. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make soursop juice, also known as Ji Korosol. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button below and let's get to it. Here are today's ingredients. 2 cups of guanabana pulp, 1 teaspoon almond extract, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons sugar, and 2 cups evaporated milk. Now I'm going to put the soursop into the blender. Next, I'm going to add in order sugar, ice, and then milk because I don't want it to be separated. That's the same reason if you put milk and lemon, they don't go together. I add in a little bit of sugar, but it's optional. It's like to your taste. Let's get ready to taste, guys. This is the final result. Bon appétit! This is delicious. So good. Thanks everybody for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And also turn on the notification bell every time I upload a video. Thank you. Bye bye.